Hi, and welcome to Digital Tech Reviews and Tips, guys. Today I'm just going to be doing a quick video unboxing the brand new DJI Mic Mini 2S, taking a look at what is included in this box here. Specifically, this is the single mic mobile receiver kit, which I personally think is going to be probably the most popular option because, let's be honest, most of us don't need two microphones, and this is the first DJI mic where they actually designed a charging case specifically for those of us who don't need two microphones. So, very excited to see what that actually looks like. I'll be taking a look at that. And then also going to be giving you guys a comparison of this microphone quickly to the DJI Mic 3 because even though this is a mini now, it is the first DJI Mic Mini to have 32-bit float recording with internal storage, which makes this potentially something that you could actually use on semi-professional or even some professional shoots in a pinch, because you don't have to rely on wireless transmission. You can just record internally on that microphone and have pretty decent quality audio thanks to that 32-bit float recording codec. But the full in-depth comparison of this and the full testing of this is obviously going to be for a different video. This is just an unboxing video, so let's get to doing just that and not waste any more of your guys' time. So yeah, looking at the box here, pretty simple. You can see white box, like DJI has pretty much standardized their look. Got a photo on the front of what's in the box. You also have more detailed explanation of what's in the box here, and of course your features of the Mic Mini 2S. But like I said, really this is pretty much identical to the Mic Mini 2, except for that S stands for storage, and you're getting 32-bit float internal recording. So with that said, let's get to opening up the box here, finding the little tab on the back, and then ripping that off. Actually, just a nice little peel. It's not too violent, guys. And then we can open up the box, and you get right there, scan to register your mic, of course using the DJI Mimo app. And then it looks like everything is just in this nice little case here. Oh, we also have some stickers, because let's be real, guys, if it wasn't for stickers, it wouldn't even be worth it, right? So let's take a look at these first. Opening up this little packet that's included. And it's not only stickers, but it also looks like you're getting some kind of warranty instructions. So yeah, here's your stickers here. I've got so many of these by now. Stick them to your forehead, stick them to your water bottle, your computer, whatever you want to stick them to. Be a walking billboard for DJI. You also get a little quick start guide, which that's always nice to see. You know, if you don't want to go online, you can get this here. But of course, you can find all this online. And then finally, you have safety guidelines. Nah, we don't need safety. We can get rid of that. Now let's get to the interesting part, guys. Here we have the whole DJI Mic Mini kit. It looks like not only do you get a charging case, but you also get a nice little bag for everything to be easily contained in. This is kind of the new bag design that DJI has gone with for these microphones, but this one is much smaller than the ones you're going to get with the DJI Mic 3 or whatever, because that case is much larger. I actually have the DJI Mic 3 case here. You can see that's a pretty big case. It would not fit in here. So yeah, you get a much smaller case, but that is because it's the brand new single mic charging case, which is inside, which, oh my gosh, guys, I'm just skipping all this stuff because it is so freaking cute. Okay. I don't usually say that much, but oh my gosh, this is the cutest thing ever. I just got to get to it. I'm trying to contain my excitement right now. Like, this is not feigned at all. What the heck? Oh my gosh, that is the cutest thing. Here, I'm going to get the DJI Mic 3 case in here. Look at that, guys. It's like it had a baby. I mean, oh my gosh, that's awesome. And not only is it cute, but it actually is very practical because there is all the stuff you need. This doesn't really charge. This just plugs into your camera or your smartphone or your laptop, but this actually has a battery in it, so it can charge the wireless microphone, which, geez, oh my gosh, this is just awesome, guys. Yeah, we'll get to that in a second. Let's look at what else is included if I can contain myself for a little bit longer. It looks like we also do get a magnet, of course, because you got to have a magnet option as well as the option to clip it on. Personally, I don't know which one I favor more. The magnet is pretty nice. It looks a lot cleaner and doesn't mess up your collar, so I'm glad they still are including those. Here we also have the windscreen, of course. Now let's just test something out here to see if the windscreen fits in the case on the microphone, because that's really the big test. And wait, it kind of does. Okay. I don't know, guys. It's a little, yeah, I'm not sure if it really is a good idea to keep the windscreen on the case. I don't know what DJI technically says, but that's a bit of a tight fit. That works, possibly like that, but yeah, we'll see. Now, the other stuff that's included, here we have a USB-C cable. Simple. You probably have 1,000 of these, but an extra one is always great. I'm glad they're still including those. It looks like they do also ship you a little dongle. That's not a dirty word, guys. That is what this is, I'm saying. That's the technical word for this, I think. Yeah, you can see here, it's like a little charging dock. And I'm guessing this is to transfer files off the device. I'll put up in text somewhere here if you're able to do it directly from this case. Like, that's what I really was hoping for, because with the Mic 3, that's how you transfer files off the microphones. You plug a USB-C cable in here and then to your computer, and you can transfer files off. So I was really hoping that that capability would be extended to this little tiny charging case, but the fact that they're including this dongle makes me think that you actually need this, unfortunately, to transfer files off. So not perfect, I guess. Like, what can we ask for? It's a tiny little case. They probably couldn't put that capability in. I don't know, for the price, whatever. But yeah, so if you were dreaming of that as well, your dreams might have got dashed just slightly a bit there. Finally, we have 2 faceplates included with this microphone. As you saw earlier when I had it open, it is clear. That's the look they're going for with the DJI Mic 2 or Mic Mini 2 series. And then they're selling these accessory faceplates, which I personally don't care about the color ones, honestly, and they're way too expensive to get a third-party seller to ship to me from China. So I'm just going to be using these, probably, honestly, going with this blackish one, because that's the more nondescript look. And it looks like, I think they just clip on like that. And it looks pretty nice. But if you're ever using a white t-shirt now, which I often do in my videos, the good news is you can just pop on this one and you have your white look. And that's pretty nice. But yeah, let's just actually do a quick test with this microphone. First, I'll give you a side-by-side comparison of this and the DJI Mic 3. The crazy thing, guys, I was wondering about this, but the crazy thing is the DJI Mic 3 kind of is smaller. Like, what is happening? This is called the DJI Mic Mini, and it's actually bigger than the DJI Mic 3. I think we've jumped the shark officially here. What is happening, DJI? You got to work on your naming or something. I think technically this one is lighter. I'll also include my official weigh off results somewhere up here, you can see, of weighing these without the clips, because DJI plays around with their specs a lot of times on, you know, weighing this with the clip and then weighing this without the clip to say this is lighter. Here I'll put up in the top the actual my findings, but yeah, what the heck? It's not actually really mini. So the only mini thing really about this is, I guess, the price. And well, I guess now this is mini. So one thing is still mini about the DJI Mic Mini. But anyways, let's see if we can turn this on. Or I guess if we take that off on the bottom, we can expose those pins. And then if we pop it in there, that should charge it enough briefly to maybe now power on. We'll see. Magnet already wants to connect. So eager. I'm going to pull in the mobile receiver here, plug it in quickly to make sure that this microphone is able to set up in the US and also is on 32-bit float. Before I start recording, we can see, where is the 32-bit float setting? You can see it's already connected, working. Like, that's the thing that's so nice about the mobile receiver, is rather than messing around with Bluetooth, which is not good quality, the mobile receiver connects you directly to your phone and is just instant. Like, boom, instantly connects and you're ready to go. Let's find if there's a 32-bit float update. I'm not going to do the update here. We don't care about the ARCs. We want the TX setting. There we go. 32-bit float recording enabled. We're going to leave everything else. Clipping control. Yeah, there we go. Keep that on. Vibration. Awesome. Cool. And it looks like it's ready to go. So we can now unplug this because we don't actually need the mobile receiver at all. And then we can just press record, I think. Nice little vibration. and we should be recording on the DJI Mic Mini 2S. That might be a loud sound there, but now I'll bring it up and clip it on my shirt. And now we should be getting a quick little comparison here with the DJI Mic 3 versus the DJI Mic Mini 2S. Obviously the size doesn't matter, but which one sounds better? Does the Mic Mini 2S come close in quality to the DJI Mic 3, or is it not as good? And that would be understandable because it's cheaper, but I don't know, really these microphones look almost identical. So the big question is, can you just get the Mic Mini 2S, save some money, get this little cute charging case, and be on your merry way creating content? Or is the Mic 3 still superior? And is there a reason why DJI still has this legacy seeming series of microphones without the Mini moniker? Or are they just all going to be merged eventually because they're sounding pretty similar? I don't know. Hopefully that's enough of me talking there to give you guys an accurate comparison quickly between these two microphones. Like I said, I will be doing a more in-depth comparison sometime in the future. But yeah, that is pretty much it for this video, guys. If you are still watching, click like, subscribe, comment. You know what to do, guys. Let me know how cute this little microphone case is. If you do have any other questions about this, feel free to drop them down in the comments below. I will include a link in the description to the eBay seller specifically, which I purchased this microphone from, because if you're in the US, I think that's pretty much going to be your only option for ever getting this microphone other than traveling out of the country. So yeah, link down below to that seller because they did get it to me in fairly decent time and the tracking worked well and whatnot. But yeah, that is it for this video today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Peace out. Have a nice day. Bye.